What makes SaaS renewals so challenging? And what do you really see companies struggle with the most when it comes to those renewals?
Yeah, Corey, this is a great topic to start with. And I think you hit the nail on the head. Everyone is a buyer of SaaS. If you have a credit card, you can go online, view a product, punch in those numbers, and boom, your tool's there, up and running, and you're ready to use it. So that's the most challenging part. Is it can sprawl out of control at a drop of the hat. If everyone has a credit card, they're spending it, right? So I think it's three different areas to really dive into kind of what you need to put in place, or three different areas that make it challenging. So inventory or visibility. I kind of mentioned it in the introduction piece there of really understanding what does that portfolio look like? Do we have a policy? Do we have who's monitoring this? Who's reviewing this before we're purchasing? Bandwidth is probably the second. The piece that makes it challenging is not every organization has a dedicated procurement resource or team. So oftentimes we see it land on the manager, the department manager's desk to negotiate and monitor those agreements, user counts, etc. And obviously they're managing other things. They don't have the time in the day to monitor every piece of software that they are utilizing in their department. And then the third factor is the market. It's ever changing. I mean, we've seen in the last year, no one has a crystal ball, right? It's you don't know what's going to happen year to year. So with the market changing, obviously that changes negotiation tactics. It changes how vendors are portraying their tool, selling their tool, things of that nature. And those three things are definitely the three that stick out in my mind that make this the most challenging thing to manage and monitor on a daily basis.